What is going on, everybody? This is Aaron back with my channel. Today I got one of my pride and joys that I bought when I was like 22 years old. Love this car. This is a 2000 Boxster S in a rare speed yellow. It's a factory speedster. Got speedster humps on it. Came factory with the coated into the build sheet on the car. These came in the trunk of this car. Really rare build. I've done some videos on it before. It's got deviated stitching, yellow. It's got full leather dashboard, full leather door cards, yellow stitching in the doors, yellow stitching in the seats. It's got embroidered crests in the seats. It's got the yellow painted roll bar to match the body. It's got the yellow seat belts. It's got the brushed aluminum interior, the trim rings, the shift knob, the door handles, e-brake. It's got all that cool stuff in it. Very rare build car. But today I'm going to be unboxing something that I didn't think I was going to buy in the United States. I looked everywhere up and down for a reputable slash, moderately priced set of headers for this car. Now it is already loud. I did do another video. I don't know if it's going to come out before this one or not. This right now is actually running secondary cat delete pipes or mid pipes with an X pipe exhaust. So I took the 52-pound muffler that came on this car off, and I added a 12-pound T304 stainless steel MIG welded exhaust on it with exhaust tips. So, but this right here, I got an insane deal. Now I looked on eBay, I looked everywhere. I searched Amazon, I checked on Google and checked prices. This set right here came up from a company called Build Fast Cars, BFC, and it was on sale for $133. I paid with it with Shop. It got rid of, Shop is that thing where you can pay for it in installments. It completely got rid of taxes for some reason, and it got rid of shipping. It came out to be $145 when I went to the Shop app. It was $133. They got rid of taxes and shipping for some reason. But this same set of pipes sells everywhere else for $500 to $600. So we're gonna open this up today, and I'm hoping it's a small box. I don't know how it fits, but I'm hoping this is what they said it was. So let's get into this, shall we? Now my car is loud enough as it is, but you can never be too loud, especially when your car's yellow. It already stands out enough. Why not? So this is the first time I'm opening this box. This got delivered to me earlier today. Now they said these are long tube headers, but they look short. They're supposed to be equal length. So the company gives you the exhaust manifold gasket as well as the bolts. And yeah, so there's that. Product disclaimer. And here are the pipes. I'm missing the gaskets. I'm missing the, oh, okay, they're in here, sorry. The two, these are the secondary cat pipe gaskets. There's two in there as well. These look pretty nice. For $133, are they sealed? Let me see, they're open. These are gonna go on today, and I'm gonna do another video. Oh, wow. Look at that. 130 bucks. And look at, they got the bungs for the, I do have spacers for my O2 sensors. These are gapped. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. These are $133. I just bought these like on Tuesday. These are actually beautiful. They are long tube. Usually the shorter tube ones, they kind of curve right here and they go straight out. But these are supposed to be equal length. So if you can tell, this kind of is the same length as this long one and this one right here. They're bent in such a way, and these go under the car like that. So the engine exhaust manifold faces down and it comes out, and then it goes out to the sides. These will be going on soon, and if I like these enough, I'm gonna put these on, see how they sound, see how fitment is. I'm hoping, today's Friday the 13th, so I'm hoping I don't break any studs or bolts off the engine block, but I'm gonna let you guys know how these are. And if all goes well, I'm gonna put the link to the website in the description. I am not sponsored by them at all. It says DNA motoring on the box, but I got these from buildfastcars.com. I looked everywhere. Now in England, there's a company called Design 911 that sells short tube headers. Those are only usually good for, like, if you do internal motor work, if you're gonna be revving over 9,000 RPMs. I read somewhere online that there's a common misconception about headers. I didn't know much about them before. Everybody kept saying that long tube headers were for top end and short tube headers were for low end. Now there's some truth to that, but it's not really the case. So the long tube headers are actually better for horsepower gain and torque increase, and for mostly daily and street use. Daily and street use, and maybe some autocrossing and stuff. They said short tube headers are for higher RPM revving with possibly, you said you don't need short tube headers unless you're doing like internal like building on the engine on the M96. So I went with the long tube. It's the only ones I could find. The short tube ones, like I said, I'm not going to be revving this thing over 9,000 RPMs like a Formula One car. That's who has short tube headers, is Formula One cars. This is going to be pretty loud. I'm going to drive it on the street. They said supposedly the drone or the noise isn't terrible when you're just driving it without load, like if you're just cruising. But when you get on it, it's going to be obnoxiously loud. So I'm hoping that it works out well, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron. God bless you all, and stay safe out there.